Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off voice directions on Apple Maps. And let's get started by open Apple Maps. Now we need to write some direction. Okay, let's say this one. And right here we have different modes, so let's get started with a car mode. Excellent. At the right side we have speaker icon. Click on it and then click at the mute. And we just did it. Amazing. Now you need to remove it for all modes here. So if I move to the walking, I click at the go. As you can see, we have this voice, but we don't have this speaker, so maybe I just choose another direction. Okay, maybe this one. Go, speaker and mute. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!